Hi everyone.
Hello, welcome to day 10 mini
Hope you can hear us above the music.
Yes.
We're in Disney's Hollywood Studios.
If you can't already guess, because
my hat's wonky.
tips the camera, you can see the Tower of Terror.
There it is.
Yay.
So we had a split day again today, Animal Kingdom this morning.
Animal Kingdom, went over to Conservation Station.
Yeah, we
on
did
the train.
Fop.
Did Fop.
We met Mickey and Minnie.
Oh yes, that's the other thing we did.
And then we got the bus over to Hollywood Studios and met our friends Sharon and Joe.
Yep, who are currently eating ice cream.
Yep. So we just had a little bite of pizza.
Yep, we went to do single rider on Smuggler's Run with them, and
it's kind of stationary. It's stopped.
We were just standing there in the queue for about 25 minutes. Nothing was moving. It wasn't down.
We decided to bail and
Yeah.
shuffle through everyone in the queue, which is never the best thing to do, but
the main queue was 80 minutes.
the correct thing to do.
Yeah. We did Aliens Running Saucers, didn't we?
Yeah. We've done Tower of Terror, and we're going to go and do it again in a minute because we have a fast
Yes,
pass.
we managed to get fast passes for all 4 of us, so
Yeah.
that was good. And then tonight we are going to Four Rivers Smokehouse,
Yeah,
which
so there'll
is
be a few shots of that in the main vlog.
off property, but they've got a few smokehouses around Florida. And then
Really cool food there.
a quick run to Publix probably, and just pick up a few
Yeah, maybe.
odd
Get
essentials.
milk, get cereal.
Yeah,
maybe.
we need some milk. Oh yeah, we need milk.
Nothing exciting. Anyway,
I'm
that's it.
just trying to think what else. What's happening tomorrow?
I can't remember.
Oh, we might be having a cheeky little trip to the outlets
In the morning, yeah.
that we weren't expecting to do, but now we are.
Go to the Springs, get an Uber there,
Yeah.
have a look around.
Yes.
And
The
then,
rugby scrum that is the character warehouse.
in the afternoon, I'm not quite sure what we got, but
No, we might just the pool.
surprise.
That'd be we never do that. So yeah, we could do that. Couldn't we? So thank you for watching
Yes,
day
thank you.
10. Can't believe it's day 10 already. What's that about?
Yeah.
It just goes so quick, doesn't it?
So as you can see, the sky here, look at this.
It's looking a bit ominous.
It's black, so
Yeah, we think the towers are coming in on the traditional
we're going to quickly run in and get a fast pass before it hammers it down, I think.
Yep. So thank you for watching.
Please like and
Please
subscribe.
like and subscribe, and we will see you for day 11.
Yeah. And we leave you with a nice lingering shot of the Tower of Terror.
Ah.